How are you?
I'm doing well. Thanks for having me here today.
Thanks for coming.
My name is Christy Harmon. My friends call me Chris. I am a culinary student here at WSU Tech.
Hi, I'm Colten. I'm in the robotics program.
My name is Dennys. I am a scholarship recipient and I am in the veterinary nursing program at WSU Tech.
And I am a foundation scholarship recipient.
And I am a foundation scholarship recipient.
I grew up in Mexico, and when I was 14 years old, I moved to Wichita.
Growing up as a kid, I always loved cooking. When I was about 9 years old, I told my mom that I wanted to start my own restaurant someday.
My last 2 years of high school, I was at a local community college, and I didn't really enjoy the traditional learning, so I wanted more of a tech school approach, hands-on.
I am enrolled in a culinary arts program at WSU Tech because I needed somebody literally in front of me who could see what I was doing and tell me, no, do it this way, or yes, that is correct.
And I fell in love with animals. I did more research on a veterinary nursing program, and I found that WSU Tech was offering a nursing program, so I decided to apply, and now I am here 2 months till I graduate and obtain my nursing degree.
My motivation for why I work so hard in school is my parents. They have supported me all throughout while I was young in sports, and it makes me happy to see them happy, and I just want to make them proud.
This scholarship has impacted me greatly.
Being a recipient for this scholarship shows me how much other people care about people like me.
Our success actually is branched off of like what you guys did for us. So it's from the bottom of my heart, I say thank you so much for that, because you were able to help me get launched into where I needed to be.
I am going to be able to be a first generation college graduate.
I'd personally like to thank my scholarship donor for helping me pay for my education and start my career.